right, all I did was put a little buttercream on the board and put the tomato on it. Looks kind of like an apple, but close enough. We need to make the little strawberry that goes on the side here. So with a little bit of this red fondant that's left, normally I would add Tylose to it, but boy, this stuff's dry. Let me get my shortening. Where is my shortening? It's just really dry. And we need a nice big strawberry. You know those, they have a strawberry that comes off the side of them. So we just roll it, and then between the palms to make a strawberry. Flatten the top a little. Okay, so that's the little strawberry that comes off the side here. There it is. Actually, you probably want to make that a little bit bigger. It's a little small. I think we'll make it a little bit bigger. So just add some more to it. Fairly big. Now you can see me make it again. So roll it into a ball, and then off to the side. Okay. And there you have it. That's a little better. Okay, that's a little strawberry that comes off. I'm going to let this dry. Normally I have a piece of batting or something. I just happen to have some foam here, and it fits just like that in the foam, just like so. So it doesn't squish the tip. It'll just fit right in there. So I'm going to let that dry. And I know this has lots of imperfections. It always does when I work with fondant, which is why I make lots of extra things to cover them up. So that's the idea. If I'm not able to cover up my imperfections, I don't use fondant. I use something else. I'll use rolled buttercream, or even then I cover everything up. Okay, so for the top of this, it's a pretty big, green piece. It goes over the top. So let's get some green going here. Okay. And I want to roll it out, and it's got 6 points, which is, I don't know, do tomatoes have 6 points? Who knows? It's a pincushion. Let's move our tomato out of the way. Let's move it out of the way for right now. Just temporarily. Let's put it back there so I have room to work here. We're going to roll this out. Just use shortening. And I'm just going to kind of eyeball this, because I don't have a cutter that is big enough to cut for the top of this. Okay, so it needs to be a little bit bigger than this, which means this looks pretty good. So just a little bit bigger. Okay, so we're going to cut that out. Just find something around the house that works. Make a template. If I had a 6-inch cake circle, that might work. That might be the size of this. Looks like it's like 5.5 or something. And I know it left a ridge, so we'll just flip it over.